Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the seventh part of our video series in which we are learning country names in Korean language. That is, what are the different countries around the world called in Korean? So in the first two parts of the series, we learned the names of various Asian countries. Then, in the third and fourth part, we focused on learning the names of different European countries. And then, in the fifth and sixth part of the series, we learned what are the different African countries called in Korean. Now, in the seventh part, let's focus on learning the names of all the North American countries. So, if you have not watched the first six parts of the series yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. I'm also going to share the link of the complete playlist in the description. So you can go and watch it. Now, let's begin with the seventh part. So here comes the first word. That is the continent North America. What is it called in Korean language? Let's see that first. So basically, there are two ways to say North America in Korean. One is 북아메리카, 북아메리카. And the second way is 북미, 북미. So both of these words, they mean North America in Korean. But there is a slight difference. Now let's see that. 북아메리카 is the formal and full term for North America, and therefore it is often used in more official contexts. Okay? And 북미 is the abbreviated form and is widely used in daily conversations or in informal contexts. Okay? So this is the difference between these two words for North America. 북아메리카 is kind of a formal term and 북미 is a casual way to say North America in Korean. Okay? Now, let's move ahead and see what is United States called in Korean language. So, United States or United States of America or USA, whatever you like. So, in Korean it is 미국, 미국. It is a pure Korean name, 미국. Okay? Now comes the word for the country, Mexico. So in Korean it is Mexico, Mexico. Next comes the country, Panama. And it is very easy, Panama, Panama. Now let's look at the next American country, and that is Cuba. In Korean it is Cuba, Cuba. Here comes the next country, and that is Barbados, and it is called Barbados, Barbados. Next comes the country El Salvador, and in Korean it is El Salvador, El Salvador. Now let's see how to say Jamaica in Korean. It is called Jamaica, Jamaica. Here comes the next country, and that is Antigua and Barbuda. And in Korean it is Antigua, Barbuda, Antigua, Barbuda. Next comes the country Costa Rica, and it is called Costa Rica, Costa Rica. Now let's move ahead and look at the next one. It is Dominican Republic. In Korean it is Dominica 공화국, Dominica 공화국. Now, Dominica is kind of a transliteration of Dominican. And the word for republic in Korean is 공화국. Okay, keep this in mind. Next comes the country Haiti. And in Korean, Haiti is called Haiti. Haiti. Okay, focus on the difference in pronunciation. In English, we call this Haiti. And in Korean, it is IT. Okay? Next comes the country Saint Kitts and Nevis. And in Korean, it is Saint Kitts Nevis. Saint Kitts Nevis. Now let's move ahead and see the next one, Canada. And in Korean it is Canada. Canada. Next comes the country Honduras. And in Korean it is Honduras. Honduras. Now let's look at the next one. That is Trinidad and Tobago. In Korean it is Trinidad Tobago. Trinidad Tobago. Next comes the American country Bahamas, and in Korean it is Bahama. Bahama. Now let's move ahead. Here comes Saint Lucia, and in Korean it is called Saint Lucia. Saint Lucia. Next comes the American country Guatemala, and it is called Guatemala. Guatemala. Now let's see how to say Dominica in Korean. It is Dominica. Dominica. Next comes the country Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. So in Korean it is Saint Vincent Grenadine. Saint Vincent Grenadine. Next comes the country Nicaragua, and in Korean it is called Nicaragua. Nicaragua. Now let's see how to say Belize in Korean, and it is Belize. Belize. Now let's look at the last American country, and that is Grenada. So in Korean it is Grenada. Grenada. Alright, so in this video we learned the names of different North American countries in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.